3 viewers, thank you so much. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Wherever you are. Here in the Philippines, it's almost evening time. Tama ba yung English? Bahala na, basta naka-English na. Reviewers, thank you. Diba? Para masanay ka ng English. Kahit minto mo yun dyan. Balintong na English natin. At mamaya mag-anahan tayo ng ating hapunan. Ito natin trabaho. Kung nasa bahay. Linis, laba, luto, kung nalulutuin. Ganun lang ang ating routine. Routine every day. Every day. Thank you to viewers. Salamat. Lukawisan ako sa kadalang bird ko. Malinsangan. Ang mga ibon. Pagamis lang. Sumisilong. Yung maulang na rin. Patari. Arinig yung tip. Click. Ayan sila sa bintaan. Kasi tago mga yan. Kasi nga. Ay mahal ng Diyos. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad. Ito naman ang Diyos. Oh, praise the Lord. Reviewers, thank you. Ulan pa talaga ito kasi madilim pa yung mga madilim ang kalangitan. Ang kalangitan madilim. Pag may tao din sa gitna nila may ingak mga dugi. Pasensya na kayo pag minsan yung live ko. May mga background ng ko, alaga. Hello, where are you going? Where are you going? It's raining? Oh.
Right now.
Rain. Raining.
Raining?
Yes.
Okay.
It's okay.
Is it being bad?
It's Friday.
If they people not come, okay, we will all begin to come home.
Okay.
But they will come. Everybody will come. It's not that. Because Mr. Martin said he will be there 5 o'clock. After 4:30, before 5 minutes. Okay.
What time you come home?
Not yet.
Yuki. Huh?
Why I should be here? Because I put Yuki standby position.
Oh.
In case if I need, he will come.
Okay. Okay. Too much. Laro-laro lang. Delay. Hindi talaga siya. Ano lang yun. 5 viewers, mega love shout out, and thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm back. I had to cut some watermelon. Woo! Can I have some? 5 planes, watermelon. 4 viewers, mega love shout out. Juliet Robelli. Hi, si Juliet Robelli.